All right, guys, it's Nicky Bro Chef here, and a lot of times you might find yourself stuck in a carb rut. You ever find yourself there?
All the time.
Yeah, you're just like apples, oranges, bananas, oranges, you know, right?
Yeah, all the time.
So today we're gonna put together like a carb, healthy, fat mixture. This is gonna be asparagus and mushrooms almondine. All right, we're gonna tag team this one like Hulk Hogan and the Ultimate Warrior back in the day. Remember that?
Yep. Can I be Hulk Hogan?
Yeah.
Okay.
So I'm the Ultimate Warrior.
Okay.
I'm gonna start chopping things apart, and you're gonna man the pan.
Perfect.
Or woman the pan.
Woman the pan.
Okay. Go ahead and we got some coconut oil and a fancy little bamboo stir stick type thing there, right?
Just gonna mix this in here like this.
This one. And I'm gonna start just by taking one stick here. I'm gonna do this where it breaks. That's gonna tell me where I'm gonna cut the rest of my asparagus. I'm just gonna go right there, all down the row. And then from there, I'm just gonna cut these guys into thirds. Constance, how's that garlic going?
Really good. You don't want it to get too burnt, so you just gotta keep moving it and stirring it till it's nice and brown, golden brown.
Okay. For these mushrooms, I'm gonna quarter or maybe half that one. If it's small, I'm just gonna have it.
All right, this is looking a little golden brown.
Coming golden brown. Coming in with some almonds. Coming in with some almonds.
Wow, look at that.
Okay, now get that going. Stir. There we go. Coming in with the asparagus.
Do you prefer to cook with coconut oil or olive or both?
I mix it up, you know? So I always go back and forth between olive oil, clarified butter, coconut milk, or coconut milk, oil, and then rendered fat from bacon. I like to cook with that too. Let me just hop in here quick. I'm gonna give this a couple tosses. Like that. If you wanna hit that with a little salt and pepper, I'm gonna turn it down.
A little pepper.
Yeah.
Salt. You can't never have too much salt, right?
All right, so we're going in with a little bit of water.
Wow.
All right. Let's throw our shrooms in. So toss there. You always use this pan. How's that? Trap some of that moisture in there. Go ahead and you want me to lift it? I'll lift it up. Boom. Look in here, getting some good color going.
Yep.
Here's still
Let's
moisture
give it a
there.
couple tosses.
Couple tosses. Chili is always good to have around. Red chili flakes, just run them through the spice grinder. It looks just like that, okay?
Toss it.
1, 2, leave it on. We'll call on 150 seconds. And you'll be ready.
Okay. Are you counting?
No, maybe?
I'm on it.
Okay. Woo! Now we're going to a coconut cream. This can has 80 grams of fat in the can, 80 grams.
So just a couple scoops. So this kind of makes, what is this making? Like more of like a cream sauce?
Yeah, it's kind of like a cream sauce. We're not going overboard with it. It's just going to bring a little flavor, a little bit of moisture, and maybe kind of coat the stuff a little bit. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
All right, well, let's call that good. I'm gonna give it a couple of flips. 1, 2. That much. Oh, right there. Portion the rest of that out. So 3 veg portions here and a bed of asparagus. Foreshadowing. I mean, if you had carbs and fat and you were trying to have a balanced diet, what would you want to add to it?
Protein.
My girl. All right, so I'm the Ultimate Warrior, and this is Hulk Hogan with our
asparagus and mushroom almondine.
It's a bed of carbs and fat just begging for some protein. So stay tuned as we continue to help you
keep it paleo.